guys, welcome back to my channel. So ignore the fact that I don't have any makeup on and my hair is wet. I've been packing all day and I really didn't feel like putting makeup on to pack. But tomorrow is Disney Day. I would have already landed in Florida by the time you're watching this, but it's currently 2:37. I started at like 12, so I'm running good on time. It took me longer because I was also filming as I was packing, but I have work in a little bit. I have work at 5, so I want to get this done. But I have everything together. I have all my clothes and all my makeup, and there's a butterfly outside my window. But I have all of my shoes and stuff and everything that needs to be put in my suitcase. So I'm gonna start putting stuff into my suitcase, kind of. But first, I'm gonna show you my suitcase. Okay, so my mom wants all of us to use carry-ons this year because it just saves us money, and also we're getting in really late tomorrow. We're landing I think at like 11:30, so it just makes sense to have just carry-ons. This is my suitcase. I actually just bought it. We all have purple ones, which is good. This is the Travel Pro Grip kind of just suitcase, kind of. It's all purple and it has like 3 pockets, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if I can show you the whole thing. I'm still in the process of packing, so let me show you where I've gotten so far. Here is most of my outfits, and those are most of my bathing suits. So I have like this yellow one, which has like a crisscross detail in the back of the top. I have like this plain white triangle top, just in case I want to tan with these on, and I can't tan with that because I got a weird tan line on my back. I have this red one. I don't really like these bottoms that much because they're like really small, so the white pops out a little bit. But I really like this top, so I have a pair of black bathing suit bottoms that I could just bring. I have to find them though. I have these 2 bottoms which I really love to tan in. These are just like the sky blue, and then this is cobalt blue, I think. I have this pink one which I really love. It's like one of those tie ones, so it ties right here, and then the matching bottoms. I have this purple top that I actually might be bringing, and I have this just strapless one with like crisscross detailing on the back. I don't know if you can see that, but those are all the bikinis I actually might bring. I know I'm bringing a lot. Those are the ones that I'm bringing so far, and here's all of my clothes. I'll show you these clothes more in depth. I try them on for all you guys. I will get back to you when I am sorting out my makeup because I haven't done that yet, and I also have to do my skincare and my like toiletries and stuff like that. I'm doing shoes, and I'm trying to get 3 pairs. Like I don't want to go more than 3 pairs. Unpacking shoes is a really big problem for me because I have so many sneakers that I like to wear that go with everything. I'm gonna bring 2 pairs of sneakers and a pair of sandals. So these are the sandals that I'm gonna bring. I just bought them. They're like just brown strappy sandals, and I normally never bring sandals visiting with me. I always wear sneakers, but it's gonna be really, really hot and it's supposed to rain like every single day. So I bought these pair of sandals and they're actually cute. I'm definitely bringing these because these are my Disney Vans. Obviously, I'm going to bring them. So like they have Mickey on them and Pluto on this shoe, and then they have Goofy and Donald Duck on this shoe. I can't decide between my Adidas sneakers and my Van checkerboard sneakers, so I put a poll on my makeup page. Go follow it, the link is in the description. Vans won, so I think I'm gonna bring my Vans. I'm really not gonna be wearing much makeup tomorrow, so I'm gonna pack my makeup now just to get it over with, and like all my toiletries and skincare and stuff. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me because it's gonna be a long process. And I'm gonna put my hair up because it's starting to get really hot, and yeah, okay. So I'm gonna go do that. I got the majority of the makeup done. So for primers, I am bringing the SD Edit Vanishing Stick. I'm also bringing the, if my camera decides to focus, Super the Porefessional. On days where I'm not going to really wear like a BB cream or a CC cream, I will put on the Smashbox Radiance Primer and then just some concealer. I'm bringing the IT Cosmetics CC cream. I don't know which one has more in it, so I have to figure that out before I bring it. On the more times where I'm actually more tan, if I actually do tan, I'm bringing the Tarte Guard SPF 20, and then for concealer I'm bringing the Naked Skin by Urban Decay and the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour concealer. This one's more lighter, so I use it underneath my eyes, and this one's a little bit more darker, so I use it to conceal anything under my face. For brow products, I'm bringing the Brow Food Ultimate Fine Brow Pencil, and the darker shade in this has actually run out, so I might bring something else just in case, but this is what I'm bringing for now. I'm bringing the Benefit Highbrow, and I'm also bringing Benefit Gimme Brow, and these are both the same exact shade. I just don't know which has more in it, so I have to figure that out, or I'm just going to bring both of them. So for like powders, I'm bringing the Tarte Smooth Operator Just Finishing Powder. This is translucent, so I'm using this to just pack on powder on my face. I'm bringing the Bahama Mama Bronzer. I'm also bringing the Physicians Formula City Glow Daily Defense Bronzer. This has SPF 30 in it. And for like blush and highlighter, I know I'm bringing a lot of face products. I'm bringing the Tarte blush in the shade Insightful, and I'm also bringing the Tarte blush in the shade Party. And for highlighters, I'm bringing my MAC Oh Darling Extra Dimension Skin Finish. So it just looks like this. And then for like my inner corner and stuff, this is a more lighter highlighter, so this is the Exposed Highlight by Tarte. For eye stuff, there's a time where I'm going to the Halloween party and I'm dressing up as the Green Fairy from Beauty and the Beast. So I'm going to bring this just to do a little bit more colorful green eyeshadow. But for daily eyeshadow, I'm bringing the ColourPop Cute AF palette. This is more just like brighter colors, but also has some little brown shades and like normal shades. It is summer, so I'm going to, maybe do some brighter eyeshadow. I'm bringing my eyelash curler. I'm bringing the Jouer Claire Eye Clarins Crayon. It's just like an eyeliner, but it's like more of a skin tone shade. This makes my eyes pop and just makes them look more awake and bigger. And then for mascara, I'm thinking about bringing these three. This is my only waterproof mascara that I own, which is so weird. But this is the Per Cosmetics Big Look Waterproof Mascara. I'm bringing the Too Faced Better Than Sex and the Essence Lash Princess. So that is all the makeup that I'm actually going to bring. I might leave some stuff home, I might bring some other stuff. It just depends. I'm bringing these two like shampoo and conditioner little like travel size sample thing. Also, I'm gonna bring this 1 minute hair mask, which is like an avocado extract. Like more product types of things, I'm going to bring the Marc Anthony Argan Oil of Morocco hairspray because I will be curling my hair. Just the Rock Your Hair Spray Clean Dry Shampoo and the Marc Anthony Beach Spray. I'm bringing the Skin Fix Foaming Oil Cleanser, the Pixie Glow Tonic little sample size of their toner, the Clark Botanicals Retinol Rescue Overnight Cream as like a moisturizer, and I'm bringing the Crest toothpaste. I don't have my toothbrush, it's in the bathroom right now. That's all my toiletries, and I think I'm officially done. think I'm done packing. I'm hoping this fits in the dimension thing, because if not, I'm gonna have to check it in. I hope you guys enjoyed packing with me. Stay tuned for the vlogs, because I am vlogging this entire trip. So by the time you're watching this video, I'll probably already be in Disney, so the vlogs will technically start tomorrow. For you guys, I think, if I'm doing that math in my head. Just like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.
Right, motherfucker, yeah.